Today we're going to make chocolate sauce 3 ways. This is Everyday Baking with Grace Stevens. I'm going to start off with my kids' favorite one, and that's the Oreo one. Next is the adult version, and we're going to add a little bit of Bailey's. The last one is the one where you can choose your favorite chocolate to make it taste just the way you want it to. I've chopped up some bar ones here because it's my family's favorite. So you've got the caramel and the nougat taste that's going to come through in our chocolate sauce. So let's begin. I've got 250 ml of cream here, and I've heated it up just below boiling. So just as it bubbles around the outside, add 200 grams of chocolate to that, and then give it a good stir until it's nicely dissolved. I'm just going to stir that. The heat is off now because you don't want to put any more heat on because you don't want that chocolate to burn. So when the chocolate is beautifully melted through and you've got a nice smooth sauce, I'm going to throw in about 8 or 10 Oreo biscuits. I know it sounds strange, but you're just going to let them sit in there. And then you want that to sit in there for about half an hour. So that cream is going to take in all that lovely Oreo biscuit taste. And then we're going to strain that through a sieve. I've left my Oreos in there for about half an hour. So now the cream has absorbed all that lovely signature taste of those cookies. And now I'm going to strain it through a sieve just to get rid of the cookies. And those are going to be nice and soft. So if you want to smash them up and put them over the ice cream afterwards, that is just such a delicious end to your meal. So just make sure that it's all the way through that sieve. Oh, it smells so delicious and chocolatey in the kitchen today. And then you just have to spoon this over ice cream. So my chocolate's all mixed in and it's beautiful and smooth. And now I'm going to add 20 ml of my Bailey's. You could use coffee liqueur, whichever is your favorite. So I'm just going to pop about 20 ml in there and stir that through. And that's all that there is to that. You let it cool and then you can pour it over your favorite ice cream. Now for the bar ones, you just add your chopped up chocolate and you give that a good stir until everything's thoroughly combined. Let it cool before you put it on your ice cream. I'm going to finish this one up and then we're going to serve them up on the ice cream. And now's the fun part. We're going to eat them. So I put the Bailey's on. This is the Oreo one, which I've just got some crushed up Oreos just to throw on top. The kids love that. And then my favorite is the bar one, and oh, that just is amazing. If you get a little bit of the nougat left over, it comes out and it's just so chewy when you eat it. So let's give it a try. Oh, ice cream is my favorite thing. You've got to give this a try. If you like that, give it a like and share it with your friends and family on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.